Video by Vladimir London, a Life Drawing Academy tutor. In this video, I will show you 3 methods of drawing a hexagon. This know-how is required for drawing hexagonal prisms and pyramids from life and imagination. Let's begin with the first method. A hexagon is a flat six-sided polygon with equal sides and angles. As such, it can be inscribed into a circle. The length of its side is equal to the circle's radius. That is why you can draw a circle, measure its radius, and apply that measurement along the circle's outline. This measuring unit will divide the circle into 6 equal parts. Then, you can connect 6 points with straight lines to obtain a hexagon. Here it is. The radius r is equal in size to each hexagon side. I will now show you another method of drawing a hexagon. Once again, let's begin with a perfect circle. Its diameter can be divided into 4 equal parts. To get these parts, simply split the radius in half. Here are 4 parts of the circle's width. Now, through the middle points of radius, draw 2 vertical lines. They will cross the circle in 4 points at vertices of the hexagon. Connect those points with straight lines to get a hexagon. Make sure that 2 helping lines are strictly perpendicular to the circle's diameter. And finally, I will show you the third method of drawing a hexagon. You can draw 2 axes of the hexagon perpendicular to each other. Then, use these axes to draw 2 equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle means that its 3 sides are equal to each other. I mark this dimension as A. 2 mirroring triangles are used to draw a rectangle. Half of this rectangle's width, marked here as a blue line, is used to plot the corner points on the horizontal axis. All that is left is to connect all 6 vertices with straight lines to get a perfect hexagon. This method could be very helpful to draw hexagonal prisms and pyramids in perspective. All you need is a rectangle outlined around 2 equilateral triangles and the dimension b. This tutorial is a small part of the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course topic of how to draw geometric bodies from life. To find out more about this course, check out lifedrawing.academy/correspondence-course. To find out what Life Drawing Academy is about, check out its free video lessons at lifedrawing.academy/free.